What's up, beautiful people? Claude just dropped live artifacts, and they're more incredible than I thought they were going to be. I thought they were just copying Perplexity Computer, but it turns out this is like crazy powerful. If you're looking at my screen, you can see the dashboard I had it build me to connect to Slack, Notion, my email, my calendar, and put everything in one place. It's actually useful. It's fully custom. And I'm going to show you how to make an even better version of this one that connects all your apps in just 5 prompts. If you want those prompts, they'll be in the written guide linked below on the rundown website. Otherwise, keep watching. I'm going to show you how to do this right. Okay, so first you're just going to need a Claude paid plan, and you're going to need the app installed on your computer. If we go into Claude, you can always click Claude up here and click check for updates. When it's updated, you should see live artifacts here. And here's my first pro tip. If you click new artifact here and chat with Claude, they're going to take you through a custom setup with where Claude asks you questions that are pre-made. We want to use our own custom prompt here. So we're actually just in Cowork going to open a new task, and we're going to use this prompt. We're going to have it interview me about my connectors and my daily tasks. Okay, I selected all the apps I want included. And as you saw, it's going to ask you what things are urgent and what aren't urgent. It's going to propose a layout for you. And it's going to ask you want to build it. We're going to use prompt number 2 here. That's going to tell it to create it with a today view, a this week view, and a this month view that includes KPI cards. So it's going to take its plan that it just thought of and build it with those views for you. Really, these are the only two prompts you need to build this. We've got 2 more prompts, and they're just the cherry on top. Now, this is going to take a while. It's going to poke through all your connectors, take a look at the data and how they work, come back every couple minutes because sometimes it'll say, oh, I don't have access to that connector. You've got to toggle a switch. Other than that, should be smooth sailing. Okay, a couple pro tips. Don't go crazy and create 2 live artifacts at once because it can overload these connectors API. So I got rate limited on Slack, and that caused one of my threads to get burned. So just be careful on that. Here we go. Here's the final artifact. I'm going to click create. And this is beautiful. If you want to go further, grab this upgrade prompt. It's going to make it so that you can add buttons in here to task agents to go respond to emails, give a quick report for you. But as you can see here, we've got these KPI cards. We've got weekly view, monthly view, today view, number of updates up here. You can see the schedule, calendar. We've got Slack mentions, Notion updates. Usually the next upgrades I'll do are UI. So here's some quick rapid fire ideas on other upgrades you can do. Make these lists collapsible, add a collapse all button, add dark mode, add animations when it updates, add a refresh button, add a settings panel, add a manual override, and you can just type in here, add dark mode, and it'll do that for you. Then when you're done, click this pin artifact button so you can find it anytime on the side here. Some quick caveats. I couldn't find a way to publish these to a URL yet. I think that's on purpose so people don't expose private data. So you have to access them through Claude right now. And I'm looking for it, but I haven't found a workaround yet to have this open in a separate window so that I can have it up on my screen and then work with Claude on other tasks on my other screen. That would be something that I think would help improve this workflow. All right, that's it. Go try some live artifacts for me. As always, I'm Billy from the Rundown AI University. Stay frosty and peace.